Welcome back. To work effectively with NumPy arrays, you need to be able to quickly inspect their key characteristics. NumPy arrays provide several attributes, properties of the object, that tell you about their dimensions, data type, and total size. In this lecture, we will cover the most frequently used attributes. 1. The dot_shape attribute. The dot_shape attribute returns a tuple of integers indicating the size of the array in each dimension. This is perhaps the most important attribute. For a 1D array, it returns a single number followed by a comma. For a 2D array, it returns the number of rows followed by the number of columns. Understanding the shape is vital before performing operations like matrix multiplication. Two, the dtype attribute. Since NumPy arrays are homogeneous, the dtype attribute tells you the data type of the elements stored in the array. This is often int64, 4 integers, or float64, 4 floating point numbers. NumPy uses fixed-size types for efficiency. Checking the dtype is crucial, as the type affects how operations are performed and how much memory the array consumes. 3. The size and ndim attributes. The size attribute returns the total number of elements in the array, the product of the numbers in the shape tuple. The ndim attribute, which we saw earlier, explicitly returns the number of dimensions, which is equivalent to the length of the shape tuple. For our 2x5 array, the size is 10 and the number of dimensions is 2. To summarize, these attributes provide the essential metadata for your NumPy arrays. Next, we will cover some final useful functions before moving on. Our next lecture 35.11. Few more functions. See you there.